Okay, sis, I was just getting in from work. I had to put this bag down and I had to take something out for dinner. I had forgot to take out something. You know how you gotta throw something out while you're at work, so when you come in, you can cook. You can see the tiredness all in my face. But guess what? It doesn't stop. You gotta keep going, especially if you are the one that does these things around in your house. So I took out some chicken. I went and got me a bowl so I can put the chicken in so I can throw out all that good jazz. So that's taken care of. So now that all that's done, I'm going to go ahead and head upstairs and get out these work clothes because Lord knows these little slacks of mine, work pants, slacks, whatever you want to call them, they got to come off. And I'm going to put on like a little loungewear set that I got from Fashion Nova that I really don't get to wear too much because one, it's super long, but I really do like it because one, it's comfortable. So here I go, heading down these steps, ready to get my evening started. I had to come back because I forgot I needed to do my laundry. I like to do my laundry during the week or like on Saturday, like I mentioned to you guys before. I hate doing anything on Sunday, resetting in that nature because it's just too much on me. It's just too much. So I like to get it done during the week, after work, or on a Saturday. If I have my laundry going at night, I'm okay with that. So now it's time for me to make me a glass of wine, much needed. I had a rough day. How about a rough week? Hey, it's midweek. Let's just get it in and do what we gotta do. I got this bottle of wine from Walmart. Nothing fancy. I think it's the Josh wine. Girl, I was having a hard time trying to get this open, but I got it open and we ready. This is some Pinot Grigio. So now that I got my wine, I'm going to sit here and chill out. I was super excited because I don't watch TV, but I'm really into this Law and Order Special Victims Unit. I know it's old, y'all. I know it's super, super old. But it was on and I got so excited. So I was able to watch my show. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to season my chicken. I cleaned my chicken already. I have the seasonings that I'm going to use to fry my chicken. I don't like to put too much, as I do cook for my mom. I don't want to put too much sodium on it. You see, I got my Tony sitting out there, and I got some hot sauce. So I got to go light because we got to be mindful of the sodium. So I'm going to go ahead and season up this chicken. Okay, so I'm done. Dinner's done. It's time for me to get into myself. I'm going to take me a nice shower. I'm going to get into this little necessaire you see right here. Guys, I don't know about this product. Let me just go on and get my shower together. Your girl has cooked everything, but let's get into it. So, here we have the let's get it together. Come on, let me show y'all the packaging. This is the body lotion, the body serum, the body wash that shocked the heck out of me, and the exfoliator that I didn't even use. Y'all, it wasn't what I expected. I don't know. I think I followed the ladies. I think I just bought it because the girls was like, get the necessaire. And y'all, I'll give you more details in my next video because I am going to return it. So I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy my shower because your girl is tired. I'm doing laundry, cooking, and everything. But here we go. So I want to try out the body lotion. I tried it out and it was unscented, which is fine, but it was I didn't feel like it was enough for me at the moment and where I am right now. We're in the winter, fall, and I need a little bit something more thicker, if you will. This was very thin to me, but they say that this has a lot of good properties, a lot of good things, but this is just not where I am right now. I need a little bit more moisture. Maybe my skin's a little bit more mature. I don't know. But it doesn't have any smell, none whatsoever, no shine, nothing. And maybe that's what the serum is for. I did try the serum, but I still didn't get a shine. I was trying to smell it in my hands and see, but it's unscented, but it was just nothing. But I'm going to bed now, so night.